Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu Learn Tulu Language Online. In the last video, we have learned interrogative sentences in simple present tense and numbers from 1 to 20. Today, let us learn remaining numbers and ordinal numbers and also how to tell the time in Tulu. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos. Also, please like and share the video if you liked it. First, let us look at the numbers from 1 to 20 again. 1G 1 2 2 Muji 3 4 4 Ainu 5 Aji 6 7 Enma 8 Orumba 9 10 10 Patanji 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, now 21 is Irvatta Vanji, Irvatta plus Vanji, Irvattanji, and 22 is Irvatta Raddu, and 23 is Irvatta Moji, and so on. We have to add the numbers from 1 to 9 after Irvatta. Irvatta Vanji 21, Irvatta Raddu 22, Irvatta Moji 23, Irvatta Nalu 24, Irvattainu 25, Irvattaji 26, Irvattelu 27, Irvattenma 28, Irvattorumba 29, Muppa 30. Now 31 is Muppatta Vanji and 32 is Muppatta Raddu and so on. We have to add numbers from 1 to 9 after Muppatta. Muppatta Vanji 31, Muppatta Raddu 32, Muppatta Orumba 39, Nalpa 40, Nalpatta Vanji 41, Nalpatta Raddu 42, Nalpattorumba 49, Aiva 50, Aivattanji 51, Aivatraddu 52, Aivattorumba 59, Ajipa 60, Ajipattanji 61, Ajipatraddu 62, Ajipattorumba 69, Elpa 70, Elpattanji 71, Elpatraddu 72, Elpattorumba 79, Enpa 80, Enpattanji 81, Enpatraddu 82, Enpattorumba 89, Sanpa 90, Sanpattanji 91, Sanpatraddu 92, Sanpattorumba 99, Nudu 100. Now 101 is Nutta Vanji and 102 is Nutta Raddu and so on. We have to add numbers from 1 to 99 after the word Nutta. Nutta Vanji 101, Nutta Raddu 102, Nutta Pattu 110, Nutta Sanpa 190, Irnudu 200, Irnuta Vanji 201, Irnuta Sanpa 290, Munnudu 300, Nalnudu 400, Ainudu 500, Ajinudu 600, Elnudu 700, Enmanudu 800, Orumbanudu 900, Sara 1000, Sarattanji 1001, Sarattenmanudu 1800, Pattasara 10,000, Laksha 1 lakh, Pattalaksha 10 lakhs, Koti 1 crore. These are the cardinal numbers in Tulu. We use cardinal numbers for counting or to tell how many of something or to tell the quantity. Now let us see few sentences using these numbers. Raddu kai, 2 hands. I dinakku 10 ಗಂಟೆ ಬೆನ್ಪೆ. He works 10 hours a day. I ವಾರಗೂ 5 ದಿನ ಬೆನ್ಪೆ. He works 5 days a week. 10 ಕಿಲೋ ಅರಿ, 10 kg rice. ನಾನು 2 ಗಂಟೆ ಕಾಪುವೆ. I will wait for 2 hours. Whenever we want to add numbers to a neuter noun, we can avoid adding plural suffix and put the number before the noun. For example, illu means house. Illulu, houses. Nal illu, 4 houses. Normally we don't say nal illulu. So we just say nal illu without plural suffix. Kai, hand. Kaikulu, hands. Red kai, 2 hands. Ink red kai undu. I have 2 hands. In Tulu, we never say ink red kaikulu ulla to say I have 2 hands. ಮೇಜಿದ ಮಿತ್ ರೆಡ್ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಉಂಡು. There are 2 books on the table. ಎಂಕ್ಲೆಡ 10 ತಾರೆ ಉಂಡು. We have 10 coconut trees. When speaking about human beings, we have different forms in Tulu. Vanji means one. It's used for neuter or non-human nouns. Variye or vari means one man. Varti means one woman. Iruver, 2 persons. Mover, 3 persons. Nalver, 4 persons. Iver, 5 persons. Aji jana, 6 persons. El jana, 7 persons. Enma jana, 8 persons. Varumba jana, 9 persons. Pat jana, 10 persons. From 5 upwards, jana is added to the number normally. We can also say Ajir, Elver, Enmer, Orumber, etc. But it's not used normally. We can also say Raddu Jana, Moji Jana, Nal Jana, and Ain Jana instead of Iruver, Mover, Nalver, Aiver. And we also have Pattir, but it does not mean exactly 10 persons. It means honorable citizens or elders of the village. Now let us look at a few example sentences. Variye barpe, variye pope. One comes, one goes. Vari kalve, a thief. I vari sabage, he is a gentleman. Akkulu variye dori patirujir. They don't speak to each other. E variyana, are you alone? Alu varti pannu, she is a girl. Vanji pucha, a cat. Vanji illu, a house. Akulu irver devasthanagu poyir. They both went to temple. Now let us learn ordinal numbers in Tulu. Ordinal numbers tell the order of how things are set. They show the position or the rank of something. We have to add the suffix ana to the numbers to make ordinal numbers. Vanjana, first. Raddana, second. Mojana, third. Nalana, fourth. Ainana, fifth. Ajana, sixth. Elana, seventh. Enmana, eighth. Orumbana, ninth. Pattana, 10th. Patanjana, 11th. Irvana, 20th. Like this, we have to add the suffix ana to all the numbers. Alu Vanjane classed Kalpuval. She is studying in first standard. To say first in Tulu, we also have these 2 words in Tulu. Suru and Kadir. Kadira Mage, first son. Surutta Mage, first son. Suru is most commonly used in daily conversion. Vanjana Sthana, first place or first rank. Vanjane class, first standard. Vanjane number, first number. ವಂಜನೆ ಮಾಳಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್. ಸುರುತ್ತ ತಿಂಗಳು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್. ಸುರುತ್ತಾಯೆ the first one masculine. ಸುರುತ್ತಾಳು the first one feminine. ಸುರುತ್ತವು the first one neuter. ಸುರುತ್ತ ಬಾಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. ಮೂಜನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್. ಮೂಜನೆ ಮಾಳಿಗೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್. ಮೂಜನೆ ತಾಯಿ the third one masculine. ನಾಲನೆತ್ತಾಳು the fourth one feminine. ಆಜನೆತ್ತವು the sixth one neuter. Okay, now let us learn adverbial numbers in Tulu. Vara once. Raddu sarti twice. Muji sarti thrice. Nalu sarti 4 times. Pattu sarti 10 times. Nudu sarti 100 times. To make adverbial numbers, we have to add the words sarti to the numbers. To say once, we can say both vara or vanji sarti. Aye varagu vara barpe. Aye varagura barpe. He comes once a week. Kudara panpana. Will you tell me once more? Raddu sarti oduve. I will read it twice. Now let us see how to read sums of money. 25 paise or 4 means 25 paisa. 5 paise or n mane means 50 paisa. 1 rupai, 1 rupee. 1 kaal rupai, 1.25 rupees. 1 rupai, 1.5 rupees. 1 mukkal rupai, 1.75 rupees. 100 rupai, 100 rupees. 1 sara rupai, 1,500 rupees. 2 sara rupai, 2,500 rupees. Kaalu means quarter. Ara means half. Mukkal means 3/4. Now let us see how to tell the time in Tulu. Gante reddandu, it's 2 o'clock. Redde ainu, 2:05. Redde pattu, 2:10. Redde kaalu, 2:15. Redde iruva, 2:20. Redde iruttain, 2:25. Reddare, 2:30. Redde nalpa, 2:40. ಕಾಲ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮೋಜಿ 2:45. ಮೋಜೆಗು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಉಂಡು 2:50. ಮೋಜೆಗು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಉಂಡು 2:55. ಮೂಜಿ 3. ಪತ್ತೆ ಇರುವ 10:20. ಕಾಲ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಪದ್ರಾಡು 11:45. Now let us see few sentences. ಗಂಟೆ ಏತಾಂಡು, what time is it? ನಾಳೆ ಪತ್ತಾಂಡು, it's 4:10. ಯಾನು 2 ಗಂಟೆ ಮುಟ್ಟ ಕಾಪುವೆ, I will wait till 2 o'clock. ಯಾನು 2 ಗಂಟೆ ಕಾಪುವೆ, I will wait for 2 hours. ಆಯ್ 1 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬರ್ಪೆ, he will come at 1 o'clock. ಆಯ್ 1 ಗಂಟೆಡು ಬರ್ಪೆ, he will come in an hour. ಆಯ್ 1 ಗಂಟೆದೊಲೈ ಬರ್ಪೆ, he will come within an hour. ಯಾನ್ ಏಪಲ ಕಾಂಡೆ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಲಕ್ಕುವೆ, I always wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. 8 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಪೋಪೆ, I go to school at 8 o'clock. That's all we had for the day. In the next lesson, we will learn uncertain future tense in Tulu. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.